It's actually not that hard to get more customers with AI. The hard part is how most teams are using it. Right now, most companies have 5 different AI tools duct taped together, and they call that a strategy. One tool answers calls, another one transcribes them, another one handles SMS follow-up, another one lives in your CRM, and you're there left to stitch it all together. But what you want is a tool that'll help you get customers fast. Today I'm going to show you an all-in-one tool that uses AI at each stage of a customer entering your business so that you can get so many customers it feels illegal. Phase 1 is capture. Before you get more customers, you have to stop losing the ones that are already trying to talk to you. If somebody calls at 9:30 p.m. and nobody answers, they move on to your competitor. According to a Lead Connect study, 78% of customers buy from the first company that responds to their inquiry. So when JustCall's AI answers every inbound call, even at 2 a.m., you create a competitive advantage. And the context of that call will be sent to your CRM, capturing the lead. The AI can detect their intent, ask qualifying questions, route and transfer the call, book meetings, and log everything into your CRM automatically. If someone hangs up, it can trigger a follow-up text instantly. Now, instead of discovering missed calls in the morning, you wake up to book conversations on your calendar. Now, we've solved the leaks by capturing them with JustCall's AI, but that is just step 1. Phase 2 is to respond. Now, we need the AI to be able to respond faster than we can. Someone fills out a form on your website. They're interested, but then what happens? They wait. Maybe 5 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, maybe until tomorrow. Speed to lead matters more than most people realize. A Harvard Business Review study discovered that even after 5 minutes, contact rates begin to drop off a cliff. That's why JustCall's AI can perform an outbound call to the lead almost immediately. So the conversation starts while intent is still high. And the AI is not just calling blindly. It already knows what they filled out, what page they came from, what they're interested in, so the conversation starts with context. It stays compliant and logs everything in real time. Without AI, leads cool off and ultimately disappear. But with AI, qualification begins immediately, so that your leads feel you already have their back and ready to solve their problems. That speed alone changes conversion, leading more customers into your business. Now, phase 3 is qualify. More leads don't automatically mean more customers, but filtering those leads does. Because if your team is talking to everyone, they're wasting time discovering whether someone is even a fit. Now, JustCall's AI changes that. Before a team member ever gets involved, the AI can ask the right questions. What's your budget? What's your timeline? Are you the decision maker? Is this something you're actively trying to solve? So when a team member joins the conversation, they're not starting from zero. They're not saying, so tell me about your situation. They're saying, I see you're planning to implement this in the next 30 days. So let's talk about next steps. One JustCall customer shared that their AI agent now screens and handles around 70 to 80% of their inbound calls automatically, ensuring only high-intent prospects reach their team. So when your team consistently spends time with qualified buyers instead of curious ones, close rates improve. Another JustCall customer moved to 24/7 AI qualification and saved over $200,000 in their first year by eliminating wasted effort on repetitive calls. Now that is the power of an all-in-one AI tool. Phase 4 is learn. Now with AI, you can capture leads, you can respond to them instantly, and qualify them automatically. And now we can use AI to learn and collect data from our potential customers. Most teams record calls, but they don't actually learn from them. And that's a blind spot. When the AI transcribes every call in real time, it can track sentiment, flag pricing discussions, highlight objections, and start to surface patterns across all your calls. You can begin to stop guessing. You can see exactly where deals stall, and you can identify the language which your top reps use, and now you can replicate what works. And when these small conversions improve even slightly across hundreds of conversations, you'll see revenue move. Not because you worked harder, but you now have a system that tracks everything so that you can become smarter. So now you're capturing, responding, and closing deals faster than ever before. Now stage 5 is follow-up. You might have heard that the fortune is in the follow-up. Or I like to just say that most deals don't end in no, they just fade into an untouched graveyard in your CRM. This is where JustCall's AI closes the loop on conversations, so you don't have to remember to do it manually. If they book a meeting, confirmation and reminders are sent so the conversation stays warm. Or what happens if they no-show? A recovery sequence fires and the conversation starts immediately. What happens when you discuss pricing? A summary is delivered and the full conversation context is logged into your CRM. Across voice, SMS, and WhatsApp communication can all be automated and tailored to your specific needs. So when you step back and look at the whole thing, here's actually what's happening. JustCall's AI captures leads automatically, responds instantly, filters correctly, and improves conversion and automates follow-up so you don't have to do it manually. When you have an all-in-one tool like JustCall's AI, you have a tool that'll help automate leads becoming customers into your business. Now make sure to like and subscribe, and if you'd like to learn more how you can implement this AI to help you get more customers, click the link at the top of the description.